Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, guys. So, alright, so I already took some trades last night. I could not sleep as usual. So I was up trading last night. So I already caught my trades for the day, so I'm pretty much good on that. I'll be looking at US30. I'll be looking at US30 after 9:30 today, around 9 o'clock today. And then that's it. So right now I'm in right now I am, these positions that are running are just runners right now. So not really. I already secured my positions on the day, so those are just runners. So I am in AU buys and also in gold sells. Now, my gold trades got activated last night, or this morning, I should say, early at 3 in the morning, guys. Look at that entry. Look at that entry, guys. Stop loss above here. Entries were here. Well, actually, this is where the stop loss is here, but I don't think I have my stop loss that high on my trade. I think I had it more like around this area here, but played out nicely. Played out, came back right back up. Last night it was pushing down, and I said I wanted it to come right around to like this area here, basically, but I didn't know if it was going to come that high, so I just said let me put it around these highs here, and it got hit and straight into profit right after that, which was, you know, it was really nice to wake up to see that, happen. Why am I selling gold and buying AU? Because that's what structure says for me to do. AU is currently bullish right now, above this area here. If we cannot hold this 64200 area right here, and we break below down here, Technically, we're still bullish because we haven't quite broken this low here yet, but I needed to stay around this area here. As you can see, price is creating, it's struggling right here, right? It's not, it's trying to, it was inside this place for a while, then it finally broke bullish, which is what I wanted to see. And now it's pulling back a little bit, but it's pulling back, but it's respecting, creating new higher lows. So as long as it's creating higher lows, I'm good with that. I'm good with that. So I want to see AU go bullish. That's what it's saying. Even though these two pairs correlate with each other, you can't just trade them exactly alike just because you can't. So so we'll see. We'll see if we go bullish or if we go bearish, you know. Right here, I mean, you could say we were bullish here and we did not break the trend line to continue up. We retested, and you could say we could be bearish and we could be coming down. But this is why I'm not the biggest fan of trend lines, because this trend line could be like this and you go ahead and take, you know, the sell going down. Well, it could be short-term sells before the market pulls back and then continues bullish, you know. So it all depends on how you see it, basically. So for me, for now, if price stays above this 64200 area, I'm looking for the continuation of the buys. If it starts to break below and starts like playing around in here and here, then it could potentially be trying to break to the downside, but we're gonna wait and see what it does. So I don't really care about these trades, how they turn out, because I already secured my profits for the day, so I'm okay with that. So I'm not really stressing this morning. Not much happening today. We are good, guys. Nothing's happening today. So today's gonna be a chill Monday. Today's gonna be a chill Monday. It's gonna be a great week. I think we're gonna have a much better week than last week. We had a really good backtesting session on Saturday night, which was really great. Pretty cool stuff. Launching the private live trade session group next month, start of next month. So in like the next 2 weeks. The next 2 weeks going to be launching that, where I'm going to be focusing mostly on US30 and trading it with the new entries. So that's going to be interesting. It's going to be fun. Only thing I don't like about it really is I'm going to be extending my trading time now, because I used to trade until like 9:30, 10 in the morning. So now I'm going to be literally trading from like 7 in the morning to about 12, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But the thing is, I don't have to be stuck to the screen the entire time. I'm just going to be looking for my setups, placing my positions, and just chilling. So we'll see how it plays out. But I hope you guys are doing good. Today. What's the cost for the VIP? It's going to be $150 a month. I'm trying to decide if I only want to trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, US30. Because sometimes Mondays and Fridays don't really give the most sometimes. And US30 can't be traded every day. So I don't know. I will decide. It's probably going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I think I'm going to do it. But we'll see. But if you go to the link in the description box of this video, you will see the link for you to apply for that. So I really want to see US30 pull back into like this area here. But I don't know if it's going to do that. It's been chilling all down here. Let me see. Oh, that's what happened. It did pull back last night. This was at 3 in the morning. So it pulled back here. It did not pull back to where my alerts were set up. That's why I missed it. That's why I missed out on these sells on US30, guys. So this may not pull back again. We already have multiple areas of pullbacks here, and we have a lower high here and then the drop. So I could have caught these sells last night, but it did not pull back to my alert. I think I was looking at AU and gold kind of, because I didn't expect US30 to push. That's why I wasn't paying attention. Had I put my alerts a little bit lower, like maybe somewhere here, a little bit lower. So I gotta get better with my setting up my alerts, because I wanted price to come back into this area. It came right under that, right under it. Man. But it could come back. It could very well pull back again. This would have been a nice catch for me last night. That would have been three wins on gold, AU, and US30. So this would have been nice. But you know what? US30 does that. It does that. It could come down here and then it could pull back again and push up nice and high and then find its way back down. So that's a possibility as well. That's a possibility as well. Today I'm here to focus on learning totally, as I already took profit in the Asian crossover. Still my best to keep moving forward, trading as a 15-year-old African mama. Very good, very good. I like the discipline too. I like the discipline that you guys have. You guys that's good stuff. I got those US30 sells at the start of London session. Very good. Very good. Good work, guys. Good work. But the thing is though, guys, when when I already won my trades, I'm not too worried about missing a move on something else. You know, like I said, I always take what the market gives me. You know what I mean? So this is a full TP for AU, but I am not going to hold to that full TP. I might hold to right around this area here for about this move here if it pushes up. But this, like, if it was to break this high here, for sure it's coming up to these highs here. If we continue bullish, price is really struggling right here. I have no idea why. I think we just need a little volume, but this needs to take off. That needs to push. And my entries are not here. My entries are right around here. On this trade. Thank you very much for teaching and motivating us. You're welcome. You're welcome. Well, y'all keep talking about Nas. We don't trade Nas in here, guys. We don't trade Nas. Didn't AU break structure on the higher time frame? I pray that cough goes away. Thanks for doing everything you do to help us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I told you guys last week, Friday, that on my Instagram story that I'm going to be doing cash giveaways on the live streams. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to have specific trading questions that I'm going to ask, and whoever answers it correctly the first time, that will be the winner of the cash giveaway. All right. It'll be probably 1, maybe 2. If we have a super long session, like say we're waiting on a setup, or we have something happening and we have to just chill, I'll most likely maybe have a second one in there, but it'll be 1 for the day. And it'll be something that, not too hard, but not too easy either, and we'll just have a little fun. That shirt has to go. Please don't tell me you're a Giants fan. I used to be, not so much anymore. The Giants are terrible. They've been terrible for years. They refuse to get rid of their quarterback. So, no, I'm not a Giants fan anymore. I'm from New York. I mean, I'm naturally a New York fan of New York sports teams. But, yeah. Did y'all see what the Miami Dolphins did to the Denver Broncos? Bro, 70 points. 70 points. Has a team in NFL history ever scored that many points in a game before ever? I couldn't believe it. Where's that game at? Where is that game? Look at this, guys. Bro, 70 points. 70. Oh my God. I was like, watching the game. I'm like, are they serious? I fell asleep on it, but I'm like, I couldn't believe it. I said, oh. And I love Russell Wilson. I love me some Russell. I'm not a fan of the Denver Broncos. I don't care for that team, but I really like Russell Wilson. And I was like, Future sitting back like, laughing at this fool. Like, y'all serious? Come on. I couldn't believe it. Broncos fans have left the chat. Yes. Oh my God. Bro, I'm surprised they didn't fire their coach last night. Because a loss like that, you just gave up. You just gave up. Dallas lost. That's all I care about right now. They're in my division, so I'm happy too. As long as they keep losing, I'm good. But they're the best team in the division, so I don't see that happening. Dallas has some pretty good defense this year. I'll give them that. Dallas defense, they came to play this year. They came to play. They lost yesterday, but they came to play. But man, 70 points. Now that locker room was quiet yesterday. That locker room was quiet yesterday. It was quiet. It was quiet. Do you trade funded or personal? Okay. I don't know why I have to answer that question every live stream we do. But 72 is the record. Okay, okay, 72. So, wow, 72 points. You literally have to just give up. Like, you have to just give up. To lose like that, that's like back to back to back to back to back touchdowns. Man, they probably said, you know what? After 40 points, 50 points, they're like, okay, this is over. Y'all can do it whatever y'all want. They just said, all right, Dolphins, y'all got this. That's what happened. Crazy. Broncos be nothing since Peyton Manning won that Super Bowl. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I was back testing all Friday and literally all of Saturday. So Sunday, I didn't back test Sunday, but I was on the charts for a little while. And I was tired. I was tired. $10 touchdowns. Oh my God. 10 touchdowns. That's crazy. 10 touchdowns. Oof. But yep, as long as the Cowboys lose, I'm happy. As long as the Cowboys lose, I'm a happy camper. So we're just waiting, guys. There's not much happening right now. Just waiting. Gold is doing gold things. I need gold to find its way on down here. And I need AU to find its way up. Up, 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 and away. Up, 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 and away. Kind of sucks that I took these positions, honestly, because I mean, even though I'm following my plan, I said if it came to this area here, I wanted to take buys for price to continue up, but we'll see. I'm just hoping this isn't the pullback for the sells to play out. I just don't see sells coming back, you know, here. We formed a support right here. I don't know. I just need, if we can break this high here, we can probably continue up. So, we'll see. Who's my favorite basketball team? I don't really have a team that I like the most. I just have players that I like. So whoever the player is, I guess that's the team that I like, because I'll be rooting for them. So I really like Steph Curry. I like Steph Curry. Sometimes I like LeBron. Sometimes I don't. Depends. It depends on what shenanigans he pulls on social media. I really like Giannis Antetokounmpo. He's so damn fine to me. Oh my God, he's so fine. Who else? I just like players. I don't really have a team like that. I just have players I like. That's all. Are you noticing more stop hunting in the market now? Not really. I mean, you're always gonna have your share of manipulation, but I mean, yeah, you're always gonna have your share of manipulation, but nah, for the most part, it's pretty good. For the most part, it's pretty good. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing, I am playing with sand right now. The music is hella chill. Yeah, we're chilling today. We are chilling today. You gotta be relaxed when you're trading. You gotta be relaxed. You know? Like, for instance, right? Let me show you guys something. I watch stuff like this to like relax myself. I should be like, Charlene's a weirdo, guys. This stuff is like so fun to watch for me. I love watching. When I see videos and stuff like this, like on Instagram, it's soothing. It's soothing. Alright. Let me show you guys something. Stuff like this is so soothing. It's like, I don't know, I could sit here and watch this stuff for hours. Just hours, and then you try to look at all the stuff they're like crushing under that thing. I don't know, but you watch relaxing stuff, guys. If you can watch relaxing stuff like that, trust me, it helps. It's a huge time waster, but it helps. It's a big time waster, but it helps. Ugh, AU. Such a slow pair, Jesus Christ. I think US30 is going to continue down here. I think US30 is going to continue bearish. Because we have bounce, bounce, bounce. I think we're going to continue down. The only way I see a pullback is if market open rolls around. If market open rolls around and we get a spike or a nice push up, and then we can look. You should get out of the trade, Charlene. Negative 4K. Tell you what, now we don't have to focus on the profit. We can just let the setup play out. Because think about it, guys, right? Are you telling me to get out of the trade because the setup is saying get out of the trade? Or are you telling me to get out of the trade because of my drawdown? That's what you have to ask yourself. Because you're thinking about the wrong thing. Think about the wrong thing. If you're worried about your drawdown, and get out of the trade, because that means you over leveraged. That means you over leveraged. That's it. But why would you tell me to get out of the trade though? Why are you telling me to get out of the trade? You know? We all see the markets differently, guys. We all see the markets differently. All of us. What I might see, you might see different. We all trade differently. You know? We all trade differently. That's why when I'm trading, I never tell anybody, like, you should do this. You should buy. You should sell. You should, because you're your own independent trader. You're your own independent trader. Your profit or drawdown should not tell you when to get in or out of a trade. The setup is what's going to tell you when to get out. The setup is what's supposed to tell you when to get out of the trade. Can I explain the setup? Okay. These buys are mainly taken because of this support right here. This 4-hour support that's been holding right here. That's why I'm taking these buys. Okay. Price was bouncing here. We pushed up. We bounced. So area of resistance is now holding as an area of support. If you look at structure, we have a push, we have a pullback, we have a high, we have a low. Higher high, higher low. Now I'm looking for the market to make a higher high. That's why I'm in these buys. Now, what the market does here is going to be very important. If we can break up, we can close above these highs, great. If not, and we don't hold. But as long as this 4-hour support is holding, because price could do this. Bump, 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 bump. Or it can bump, bump. That's what you want to see. You want to see this, or you want to see that. Either way, we gotta wait. We broke up once before. Let's see if we can break up again and we can hold it. Now, there's only 20 minutes left in this 4-hour candle. A lot can happen in 20 minutes. Can it break up and close above? If it does that, we have a higher probability of it pushing up. If it doesn't and it remains below here, we just have to wait some more. We just have to wait. But as long as this 4-hour support is holding, I'm gonna stick with the buys. Until this 4-hour break. That's why I have this arrow down here. Because until that breaks, there's no confirmation for sells. At least not for me. On the buys. Oh, I'm about to get stopped out at break even here. It's back to my entry. So on gold. Same thing for gold. Gold has been holding this area since Thursday of last week. Hasn't broken. Price can stay below this area. I'm looking for the sells to come down. Can it come up here and play around, play around, play around, and then do that? Yeah, it can do that. It did that here. Pushed up, played around, and then came down. It could be making one more pullback before it continues down. But until gold breaks this high here, I cannot look for the buys. I need to look for sells below this area. So it's just pure price action is what it is. You know, that's it. Pure price action. I see buys for gold and AU, to be honest. Good for you. Good. You could very well be right for the buys. But I'm not looking for buys until we break these highs here. If we don't break these highs, don't trade. No buys for me. Now that's the thing. We are here, like for instance, like this on gold. If I go to the, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Technically, I should be looking for buys, but I was trying to catch this move down to retest these lows here. So is it going to do that? No idea, but we'll see. We shall see. If we break these highs here, then we're good. Take the buys. But I'm not going to take buys from here. I'm going to wait to see what the market does here. And then if we get a pullback, then I'll look for the continuation. But if not, and gold decides to just fly to the moon, then it just goes. It is what it is. But for me, I already won for the day. I already secured my position. So I'm literally, even if I lose my trades that I'm in now, I'm still in profit for the day. So either way it turns out, I'm okay with it. Profit was taken right around these lows here. Right around those lows. Please, how do you identify your supply and demand zones? If you get my course, I will be happy to explain that to you. But cannot explain it on a live session. It takes a while to explain that kind of thing, so. Oh, my runners got stopped out. Damn you, gold. That's okay. It's okay. Freaking gold. Damn, why is this taking so long? Why are you taking so long? My runners got stopped out on gold. No more gold buys, gold sells. AU is still running here. Let's see. Gold seems to be moving better than AU. So Maybe we can get a break. Maybe we can get a break above. Where do you see gold monthly closing? I don't know. Not below these lows. I can tell you that. I definitely don't see it closing bearish below these lows. For the last 1, 2, 3, 4 months, we can't break these lows here. Look at all this exhaustion here on gold. Gold is bullish on the monthly. Look at this push. Not much of a pullback, but yeah. I don't see gold closing strong bearish. It might close bearish, but not strong bearish, because it hasn't been able to in these last few months, since June. Gold seems to be doing exactly what it did at the start of London, pump and dump. We just need volume. It's just really slow right now. We just need some volume. I need the market to wake up. Can I switch the songs? Can you not switch up the songs? Okay. Hey Charlene, if you don't mind me asking, what made you want to do YouTube to document your trading journey? It's just exposure, that's all. It's exposure, number one, and number two, I didn't see, when I was starting out, I didn't see a lot of female traders online. It was all guys. So I wanted to, you know, add some ladies, add a soft touch to YouTube, you know. So that's why I went to YouTube. YouTube audience is different from other audiences too. YouTube is different from TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. Every platform has a different type of demographic on there, and you're gonna get different, you know, reactions from different people for different things. So it's more about just exposure and the fact that I didn't see a lot of female traders when I started. So that's mostly why. I have been struggling with my overall trading. When it comes to me, I'm a supply and demand trader, but things haven't been quite working out for me. I reached out to you some time ago, but I'm still having my issues with supply and demand. What or where am I going wrong with the process in general? Well, when people send me long, drawn-out DMs, questions, charts, and stuff, sometimes I answer, sometimes I don't. It depends on the question and how you ask it, basically. Because if I don't understand what you're asking me, I'm just not going to answer. If it's too long of a question or your chart is whatever, most likely I'm not going to answer. If you want to get me with my undivided attention and I'm able to help you, you know, do what you got to do to get better, you need to be my student. That's it. I'm not going to give help to some random person online and give you some drawn out answer. And first of all, you can't really help somebody just over DM or email. Like, trading is not a black and white thing. It's like a case by case situation. So if you're asking me, hey, how do I find this? How do I find that? How do I da-da-da-da-da? I can't answer that in 1 or 2 words. Sometimes it takes a whole explanation. So, guys, invest in education. If you're struggling so much, invest in education. That's all you can do. There's no other way to do it. Like, if you don't have the money to invest, then you should be glued to YouTube as much as possible, because there's a lot of free information on YouTube that can help you become a really good trader if you implement it properly. So watch live streams. There's plenty of YouTube live streams, people trading live. Now live streams is the new thing. I mean, it wasn't new a long time ago. People have been doing it, but it just like recently in the last year become a thing. Everyone's doing live now. Do you see anyone pushing signals and stuff like that anymore? No, signals is a thing of the past. People don't want signals anymore. Now they want live trading. They want to see live executions. They want to understand why you got in the trade, why you put your stop loss here, how you're managing your emotions when you're in the trade. Watch live streams, watch YouTube breakdowns, watch, you know, day in the life videos to help you keep you motivated. You know, invest in your knowledge. And when I say invest, I don't just mean buying things. Invest by putting in the time to study. You know, and then really ask yourself, is it something you really want to do? Because if you're not willing to like put in the effort to study and to really put in that time, then maybe trading is not for you. Because if you want something bad enough, you're going to really work hard at it. You're not gonna just be lackadaisical with it. You're not gonna just take it or leave it. It's all or nothing. It's succeed or die for you. Literally. That's how it has to be for you. When you really want to achieve something, it's like, I have to achieve this, or I'd rather die than not achieve this success that I want. You know, do you want it or not? Simple. Do you want it or not? Are you making money or not? Are you leveling up or not? Simple. US30, we missed our entries. These were the entries for US30. We missed them. I had my zone up here. I had my alert set up right here. Apparently I had it a little bit too high. I was trying to get the best entry possible. I should have had my area right around this area here. Maybe have set my alerts maybe a little bit lower, and I would have been able to catch this move here, but didn't play out that way. Did not play out that way, so it is what it is. So US30 is a waiting game right now. I wouldn't get in here. I would not get in here, because if you get in here, your stop loss needs to be up here. I wouldn't do that. It's almost 9 o'clock. I would wait until 9:30. Let us get some sort of action here and see. It could push down and tap into this area, or it can push up and then give you another opportunity. So US30, there's no setup on US30 now. You're waiting. Gold is playing musical chairs here, looking for it to come down to tap these lows. Only looking for buys if it breaks above these highs, and it has to retest also. And then AU, we're waiting for AU to wake up here. AU's just taking a nap right at this point. How much is it for your course? Derry Brown, please look at the description box of this video. Look at the description box. Have you tried set it and forget it strategy before? It's not a strategy. And it's just swing trading. And I'm not typically a swing trader, so no. I'm not a swing trader. No. I don't really see it as a strategy. Set and forget, it's just a catchy phrase. It's catchy, but it's not a strategy. So, anything swing trading is not for me. I don't like swing trading. I prefer not to swing. I prefer to get in, get out. Get in, get out. I have a very strong pull-out game when it comes to trading. This is going to be a boring Monday. I can tell already. So it's going to be a boring Monday. You guys might like to throw my jokes in every once in a while. Do you know the trader SCI? He's doing numbers. Nope, never heard of him. Plenty of traders out there doing numbers. I'm not gonna lie, I can't afford it right now, and that's real. Well, Derry, when someone says they can't afford something, it's not that they can't afford it. They just don't see the value in it right away. So they're deciding to make a decision to not invest in it. That's how I see it. That's how I see it. Something, when you say something is too expensive, it's not that it's too expensive. It's just you don't see the value. That's all. Because think about it, guys, right? If you're someone who buys a t-shirt for $5 at Walmart, you take that same t-shirt and you write Louis Vuitton across the chest, and you take that shirt and you take it over to Louis Vuitton and you hang it up on the rack. Somebody walks in and sees that same shirt and they buy it for $1,000. It's not that the shirt was too expensive. It's because the name Louis Vuitton holds value. It has a certain branding to it that says this is luxury. Doesn't matter what you put. If you write Louis Vuitton on a chicken turd, somebody's gonna buy it just because it's Louis Vuitton. They don't care that it's a chicken turd. They're gonna buy it because it says Louis Vuitton on it, and they know the value behind that brand. So I don't remember where I heard it from. I heard it from someone before that said that when someone says something is too expensive, it's not too expensive. In their mind, they don't think it's worth that much. The value to them is not there enough. It's not enough for them yet. That's why. That's why. So, and it doesn't necessarily mean that you have the money, you're just choosing not to spend it. It's not that. I'm not saying that either. I'm just saying, like, when something, don't say something is too expensive and I don't have it. Think, like, change your thinking a little bit to say to yourself, it's not too expensive. It's just that I don't have it right now, but how can I get it? How can I make the money to get it? Right? Like, I saw a quote on Instagram once that said, poor people save and cut back on things. Rich people think of how to afford what it is they want. Right? So if you say to yourself, I really want that car. This car is this much money and I really want that car. A poor mindset is thinking, okay, I have to go get another job. I have to save up a whole bunch of money. I have to cut back on some of the things that I like to be able to save up to afford that car. But a rich person mindset is thinking, I need to go start another business. I need to take some investments. I need to do this, do that. Or, yeah, I really like that car. I really want to buy that car. But is that car going to make me money? Is it going to bring me back something? Is it going to bring me some sort of value that justifies me getting that car? It's all in how you think. Your mindset and your thinking is everything in life. It really is. How you handle your psychology, how you handle your emotions is what's going to take you to that next step. So when anything you want, be it a course, if you're struggling with that, something you want that's material, even something that's intangible. Like if you say, I want confidence, don't just say, I don't have confidence. Don't say, I don't have confidence in myself. Say, how can I gain confidence in myself? What books can I read? What podcasts can I listen to? What type of things do I need to surround myself with to help me gain the confidence that I feel that I'm lacking right now? Change. Your tongue is a powerful thing. The words you speak over your life, over other people's lives, over the things you want, it's a powerful thing. Keep your emotions in check. When you let somebody take you out of character, you let somebody make you act out, and your emotions are all in your feelings about something, it takes you off your game. It takes you off your equilibrium. So if you change your mindset and how you speak over things, you will see a dramatic shift in your entire life. I promise you, you will. You start looking at the glass half full instead of half empty. I'm really struggling with my trading. I'm watching this girl and I feel like she can help me. Her course is $600. I'm the only provider in my household right now. Cool, that's my job. I'm the man of the house. I'm supposed to be the provider in my house. But I'm trying to excel at something that can better my family's life. So I'm not going to say this thing here is too expensive. I'm going to say, what do I have to do to get this thing that I need to help me level up to provide for my family in better ways so I don't have to be stressed out. It's all in your mindset and the way you think about things and what you say. Think solutions instead of problems. Solutions. I got this problem here, but I need it for, the problem is already there. I can't do nothing about it. I have to come up with a solution now. And sometimes the solution is simple. The answer is right in front of you sometimes, but you're either blinded by something else to see it, don't want to see it, or you're too afraid to make the decision. Jesus. It's 9 o'clock. Come on. US30. Get yourself down here, US30. Get yourself down here. Gold pull back nicely here. And 57 pips. Beautiful. What do I do when I'm not trading? Live my life, I guess. Usually out, hanging out, chilling at my family's house. I mean, I just live a normal life just like you guys. Just like you guys. I don't do anything special. I find places I want to travel to. I look at things I want to do. I go over my list of goals for what I want to accomplish in the short term and the long term. I read a lot. I have a lot of books. I read a lot. Listen to a lot of podcasts. Always listening to podcasts. Always listening to motivational things, self-help things. That's about it. I cut back on my shopping. I used to shop a lot. Then I realized it's a waste of money. I was buying things that I really didn't need, spending thousands of dollars every month just frivolously. So I cut that out, and I said, okay, I'm gonna spend money on more experiences than actual material things. There's still some stuff that I want to get that I will buy in the next in the coming future here, but I like to travel. I like to eat out. I like to spend time with my family. I love kids, so I always hang out with my little cousins. I got kids. That's about it. I have a big goal that I'm trying to accomplish by February next year. I'm not gonna say what it is, but I have a big thing that I'm trying to do in February. I'm trying to accomplish by February. So I gave myself a solid 6 months to knock it out. So we'll see. Trying to stay consistent in the gym, keeping my body in check. I do need to eat healthier. That's something that I have not been doing lately. It's probably why my colds and stuff are taking forever to go away. I don't eat as much fruit as I should, much greens as I should. I just get so busy that I neglect to cook and eat properly. So that's a thing. And that's about it. AU is not going up here. Doesn't want to go up here. Almost 9:30. We cannot break these highs. AU is failing now. Either we're going to come down and play around here and then go up, or we're going to come down and we're not going to go bullish. I would be very surprised if we did that though. If we completely broke bearish below here, I would be surprised. Because maybe this zone isn't the right one. Maybe this area here, and maybe there's still room for it to come down before pushing back up. That could be a possibility as well. I just didn't see that because of all this here. I was kind of more holding here. So let's see. Let's see if it breaks. If it breaks, it breaks. That's that. But that's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna remove this zone here because we're inside this area here. It's a small area, so if we break this 4-hour low, which it's looking like it's doing right now, it's pretty telling. So this 4-hour candle could not break. We wanted it to break above, it didn't break. So I don't know if it's a lack of volume or if we're setting up to go bearish. But even if we do go bearish, a pullback is still in order. It may not come all the way up here. It may come to around this area here or maybe here. But at the very least, there's going to be some sort of pullback. This is not that deep of a pullback. I mean, from here to here is probably a 50% pullback. But I would anticipate another one. If we were to push down, I would need to see another pullback and then the break to the downside if we don't go bullish. So we'll see. What's top on your bucket list? That's more of a personal thing, more of a personal goal. It's not really anything to do with business, money, trading. It's more something with my personal life. That's top on my list right now. Shirlene, I don't know who Shirlene is. Recommend me a psychology book that impacted your trading away. I didn't read any trading books. I didn't read any trading books, guys. I never read any trading books. Can you get in your fruit and greens with a delicious? You can get in with the smoothie? Yeah. I used to have smoothies in the morning. I don't know where my ninja is right now, but I used to have smoothies in the morning. Gold would take me out and then melt. Jerk. You jerk. Did that to me. Knocked me out at break even and then go down. Ugh. Crazy. Evil, evil, evil gold. Where's my next vacation spot at? Going to London. London is the main place. I'm supposed to be... When is Aruba? October or November? Supposed to be going to Aruba. I think it's November. Can't remember. Supposed to be going to Aruba, but London is my next main destination. London. kind of want to watch US30 around 9:30 to see what it does. Because if it pulls back, it's going to be a nice, and it rejects around this area here. That's going to be nice. If it rejects around there. So something like, whoop, would be nice. You should go to the Bahamas. I live in Miami. The Bahamas is like our next door neighbor. You know how many times I've been to the Bahamas? Bahamas, Jamaica. Those are like, I don't even count those as vacation spots. Because those are like, you know, up the street. London, yeah. I want to do Italy, yeah. Italy is definitely on my list. Italy is like, that's a vacation spot for me. That's a vacation spot. That's where I'm gonna take. That's where I'm gonna go with my special person and have a good time out there. So that's not even a business trip for me. Italy is more of like a romantic vacation, I think. London, more business. Italy, more romantic for sure, I think. So Italy is definitely gonna be a vacation spot. How far is Italy from, what's the flight from Italy to Miami? It's only 11 hours. It's only an 11-hour flight. That's great. That is great. Shorter than Dubai for sure. Yeah. Direct flights go from Miami to Italy every day. Yes, sir. Italy, here we come. Italy. Now, what part of Italy is the question? Milan, Venice, Florence, Rome, Naples. Definitely Rome. Rome for sure. But we'll see. And to London, it's only an 8-hour flight. Man, let me tell y'all, I am about to be out, honey. I'm about to pack this suitcase and be out. I do want to go to Barcelona, Spain too, though. I really do want to visit Barcelona, Spain. So that's on the list too. Amalfi Coast? Yes. Yes, I heard about that place. I did hear about that place. Read the Candlestick Bible, it's online. Yeah, I read that. Greece is the best. Yeah, my aunt's in Greece right now. I don't think she's having that much fun because she keeps calling us. When I'm on vacation, I don't have time to sit around on the phone and be calling people. So I'm usually out doing something with myself. So I don't think she's having that much fun. Because why are you calling so much? Like, go to sleep when you're in your hotel. Get up, go get breakfast, go explore, go do stuff. She keeps calling us. Texting, I miss you guys. What are you guys doing? Like, you're on vacation in Greece. Why are you calling us? It's too funny. I think when I went to Thailand, I think I called home like twice. That was it. And that was to let them know we landed okay, we're good. We're about to go whatever, and that's it. When I'm on vacation, I get missing. I get missing. You just don't hear from me because I'm busy doing stuff. So Barcelona has a lot of insecurity problems right now. What's insecurity? What is that? I don't know what that is. Zanzibar is the best. Yeah. Italy from London is only 1 hour and a half away. You can do 2 in 1. Oh, wow. What? Yes, sir. Thank you for telling me that. Vacation is not exactly nice when you're alone. I don't know about that. I beg to differ. I travel by myself all the time, and I love it. I have a blast with people and by myself. You gotta be your own fun. You know, you can enjoy yourself, and not only that, but you talk to people. You know, you make friends. You say hello. You do things. You know, so it's what you make it. It's definitely what you make it. Definitely what you make it. $9.26. All right, let's keep an eye on US30 while we're chilling here. See if US30 gives us anything here. Come to Turks and Caicos. Been there, done that. Been there, done that. Turks and Caicos was fun when I went. Actually went a couple years ago on a girls trip, but there's not that much to do out there. It's just the beaches. That's it. There's really not. I mean, unless we didn't have a good tour guide, I don't know. But it wasn't that much fun. I mean, it was fun, but in the way of, you know, doing stuff, it's all water activities, beach stuff. So, yeah. Gold! Really? Come on, gold. Come on. Took me out just to melt again. I hate you, gold. God, I could have made so much more today. Come on, gold. No. Took me out just to come right back down. Jeez. Suck. Man. Be like that sometimes, guys. Be like that. That would have been a 40 pip push. 40 pips. Took me out. Took me out. All right, we got a rejection on US30. Are you gonna come back up? Are you gonna come back up? Come on. I don't care about gold no more. Gold is, ugh. Gold is whack. I'm trying to see where all the people that took buys on gold. Are you guys okay? Are you guys doing all right? Somebody go check on the people that took buys on gold, that are still holding buys. You gotta go check up on them, because right now it's selling. 43 pips. If you won this trade, good. Happy for you. Good stuff. If you took buys, tomorrow's a new day. More opportunity will come. US30, you animal, you. Oh boy. Enjoy Venice and Rome, Italy, but Italy has some lovely small outside spots. France is also a good romantic spot. French Riviera, but I travel solo, just did it 6 months. Yeah. There's nothing wrong with traveling by yourself at all. But yeah, Italy for sure is going to be a nice trip, I think, when I'm ready. I might go out there for probably a week and a half. My problem is when I travel, after like 4 to 5 days, I start getting homesick. I don't know why. That always happens to me. But when I travel, after just a few days, I'm like missing my bed after a while. Even if I'm having a lot of fun, for some reason I always miss home. So like, even though I say I want to go for a week and a half, I don't know if I'm going to last that long. I might just go for a week max. And the flight is so short too, so I don't know. We'll see. Slow day today, slow day. US30, I think it might go down before it does come up. I don't know if it's gonna come up from here. I think after this pullback here that happened at London, I think it's probably gonna continue down. If it does pull back, it may not pull back to here just yet. It might pull back to here. Maybe later on in the day, later this afternoon or so, we could get a pullback to this area. But for now, not seeing the pullback happen this early. It's 9:30 and it's not moving much. So the volume is just, it's not there right now. It's just not there. AU is, we're gonna have to wait. AU is just a waiting game for now. And then gold, moving nicely here. Took me out at break even. My entries were up here. Took me out at break even. And then melted. So, is what it is. It's always slow on Mondays. Not really. I've seen some Mondays go nuts. I've seen some Mondays just pump. So it's luck of the draw, you know. It's always luck of the draw. I don't know. Now here, if AU drops, right? If AU continues bearish here and we don't respect this 64200 area, the question is, this stop is not safe here. The safer stop is like here. But I don't know. If we break this support here, we might be coming down on AU. Because the buys did not push. We made one tap up here. We have not come back up here to see the light of day. The buys are really struggling, really struggling. But until this area gets broken here, I have to stick with my analysis. So it's just a game of patience at this point. It's a game of patience. There we go. She's gonna come on down. Let's see if she can tap this area right here. Let's see if US30 can tap. Let's take a paper trade, guys. Short positions right here. Stops nice and tight. Boom, take profit right there. Let's see if US30 can just whoosh, smack this area and see if it rejects from that zone. That's what I want to see. Let's watch US30 since it's the only pair moving right now. Come on, US30, get yourself down here. You can do it. So, you know, why do I have to do it? Why can't you do it? Jesus, come on. What are you doing, US30? Get yourself down there. Not gonna lie, looks like great sells, but easy for me to say in hindsight. Yeah, I guess. I wonder if gold is going to go bullish from here. I wonder, because we have a rejection right around this area here. If we break this support, we could come down, but I'm trying to see. Let's look at the 4 hour. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'd like to see us potentially go bullish based off the 4 hour here. Can you see how we kept bouncing here? Bounce, 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 bounce. That's kind of what I'm seeing here. We're not breaking support. It's not breaking. So, I mean, honestly, and you have this big ass 4 hour demand here. This would be an excellent spot. This would be an excellent entry for the buy continuations, for buys to just fly here. This would be great. Something like this to take longs, especially if we break these highs here. This would be like take profit 1 and then way up here. The longs would be sweet here. Yeah, gold longs, if we break these highs. See how we keep bouncing, guys? Pop, 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 bah. That's what you want to see. Keep holding this support here. Yeah. My only concern is this zone here. This zone right there. We would need gold to close above that area to really give us the confirmation to go up. But based off the 4 hour, I mean, this is nice for the buys. Very nice bounce. The reason why the sells continuations may not play out is because we're holding this support. This 1 hour support would need to break for the sells to keep on pushing. But if we keep holding like it's doing here, we may continue up. If you pull this zone all the way over, you guys can see here. We broke here with a bullish engulfing. We broke back with a bearish engulfing here. Back down. For us to break back down, we need another engulfing candle. This zone is very strong. It's a very strong zone because before it held that support for all this, held resistance for a short while here, and now it's holding support again. So I'm seeing potential, very nice potential buys from here on up. Is it going to happen today? I don't know. The volume is very low right now. We just need a little bit more volume to give us that little push here. Oh, US30. Why would you do that? US30. Everything is so slow today. Jeez. It's almost 10 o'clock. Give us something here. Yeah. Coño. What time frame do you take your entries? Typically between the 5 and the 30. Depends on the setup and the pair. 5 and the 30. 5 and the 30. What's the longest you've been on vacation for? I think a week and a half. I think a week and a half. Oop. I think a week and a half, yeah. And I don't think it was fun, because I don't want to do that again. Yeah, people send me the weirdest DMs sometimes. Y'all are funny. Y'all are funny. The DMs y'all be sending me sometimes. Guys, if you write me on Instagram or Telegram or TikTok or wherever, please, I know it's polite to say hello, how you doing? But don't just say that. Don't just say hi, what's up, how you doing, and stop there. Whatever it is you want to ask me or say, just say it. Just say it so I can get right to it and get to you, because like small talk stuff, it's too much. I can't get to everybody. It's too many. So if you have a question about something, you have a comment about something, whatever it is, just come right out and say it. Charlene, can you help me with this? Charlene, what is this? How do you da-da-da-da-da? Just come right out and say it. You know, that way I can get right to it. If not, you're most likely going to be left on red, because it's too many people to get to. Come on, AU, get yourself up there. Come on, you can do it. Is gold daily not looking more bearish than bullish with the buyer's exhaustion from yesterday's daily candle? It's kind of a long question. Is gold daily not looking more bearish? I'm not sure. Right now it's bullish. It pushed down, rejected. It's pushing up here. It's holding this area of support still. It formed a higher low here. So this higher low is being respected. We could find gold on its way up. So would love to see gold just fly from here. But it's Monday. We'll see. Go long from here. That's the plan. That's the plan. I love how honest you are, genuine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, AU. Come on, you can do it. Waking up a little here. She's waking up a little here. US30 waking up too. US30 said, nope, we're not coming down TP. We're going to pull back. This is why, guys, you do not take trades in the middle of no man's land. You wait for price to come to your major areas. You take it in between, you're rolling the dice. You're really playing Russian roulette when you do that. If you do not have the patience to wait for price to come to your major areas, your account is going to be getting kicked around like a soccer ball. Back and forth, back and forth. Quick question on US30. Would you close half as price breaks previous 1 hour top wick? I would not. If you're in profits, just trail your stops, if anything. If you entered around here, I mean, follow your plan. Stop loss would need to be like around this area to be safe, I would say. The previous high. But it's breaking the previous 1 hour high, or it did already, but it hasn't closed. The candle hasn't closed. If it doesn't close above here, there's still a chance for the candle to reject and come back down. But either way, the safe area will be around here, because if price could easily push up here and then come back down. It could even wick and then come back down, you know. But either way, I mean, it depends on where your entry was. Your entry is gonna depend on how you plan it. Your entry. I don't know where your entry was, so I can't say. But I wouldn't advise anyone taking entries here, you know, especially for a sell, because your stop losses would have to be up here, which is just way too big, and then your previous area of support is here. Risk reward is trash, so it wouldn't be a good trade. Just my opinion, just what I'm seeing. Someone else might see something else, but that's all I'm saying. You always want to get the best entry possible. This trading be hitting me with the whoops, and it hit different. AU decided to join the bullish party here. AU decided to join the party. Let's see if we can keep pushing up. I'm gonna stay on till about 10:30, maybe 11 today. Maybe 11. We'll see what we get today. But around this time, I would usually wrap it up. But let's wait until about 10:30, 10:45 to see what we get. And then if nothing happens around that time, call it a session. We will call it a session. Buying gold until 1930. What do you think? 1930. Yeah. 1930 would be around these highs. Yeah, for sure. This is a nice move here. If you get in down here. Yeah, 88 pip range. Sheesh. Well, hold on. 1921. Yeah. 80 pip range. That's a very good range to get a move in. So, yeah. Buys look good as long as we hold this support. Ah, you got me all excited for no reason. AU looks like it's possibly grabbing liquidity to push back up. Could be. But it's such a slow pair. You never know what to expect with that pair. Honestly. I have a love-hate relationship with this pair because it's so slow at times and you just never know. You never know what to expect. So, what are you gonna do? You know? I don't know why I keep yawning. It's probably because I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. I didn't get a good night's rest at all last night, man. Took sleeping pills and everything. US30. I don't know if she's pulling back or she's playing around before it continues bearish. I would think it's going to continue bearish, honestly, because after this pullback and this push here, we didn't get much at 9:30. I think it's probably going to continue bearish, so we'll see. Gold is stuck in this range here, but we're still bullish. So we'll stay on till 10:30, guys. After 10:30, that's it for the day. And then watch me stop the live stream and then everything takes off. Always happens. Because even when I end the live stream, guys, I'm still like on my computer. I'm still, you know, I don't just get up and walk away. You know, I still have my charts open. I'm, you know, checking email. I'm doing all this stuff. But, and then I'll see something and it's like, oh, here we go. And then boom, you know. So, you know. But I hate that it always happens after I end the stream. It's like, you know what I mean? Your backtesting on Saturday was great. You mentioned not trading in the middle numerous times. Yep. Yes. It's always best to wait for price to come to your zones. Comes to your area, now you can, you know, have fun with it. But if it doesn't, just wait. Oh. AU is killing me right now. Oh. Eesh. I really hope I'm not falling into the trap of like marrying my bias, because that would not be good for me. I just don't see the sells playing out below. Unless price comes here, I just don't see the sells. Look at this wick rejection. Look at this other wick rejection here. Everything is indicating buys right now. I'm just not seeing the sells. How come it doesn't want to take off? I don't know. Check gold for what? What are we looking for in gold? Gold is not doing much right now. What are we looking for in gold? What are we looking for? If you guys tell me to look at a pair, tell me why you want me to look at it. What are we looking for? If it's not doing anything crazy, what are we looking for? AU is shy. 4 hour looks like a change of character to bearish. On what pair? On what pair? Which pair? Gold is about to sweep London lows. It's about to fly, gold. We hope so. That's what we want to see. Hey Charlene, cheers from Medellin. What would you say is the max order size volume for trading gold or indices on a broker as far as executions on 30-minute? Do the time frames matter? Max order size volume? Mr. J. Paul Echeverria. I can't, that's a long drawn out question. I don't even know how to answer right now. I feel like there's more things that come in, there's more factors that come into play with that question. So it depends. Depends. Charlene, what do you look for in candles when taking the entry? Candles in smaller time frame closing in your direction near your mark zones. Yep. Answered your own question. breaking lows, breaking lows, breaking lows. There go that gold sells. There go them gold sells. No go buys right now. Gold is selling off. Let's see if we respect this support here. Took out my gold sells, man. After that nice entry I got on those first positions. Are you in the trade? No, I was taken out. I was in these sells and gold took me out. So no. US30, finally. Get yourself down there, US30. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. I can do it tomorrow. Oh wait, what time? Like 11 or 12. Okay. Almost 10:30. Jesus. Gold. Ooh, 84 pips. 84 pip drop. My original TP was, I think it was down here. It came here, but originally it was down there. Why did I have that TP there? Oh, okay, I thought it was gonna hit this low here. It may still go up. Gold may still go bullish because we're holding this support here. We're holding that support. Holding that support. AU is struggling for them buys, struggling. Now gold was struggling with the sells, and the sells eventually played out. Gold kept playing, and then finally it drops, right? So AU could very well do the same thing. Play, push, or drop. So, I don't know. What could have caused gold to drop like that? Low impact news in 8 minutes. Guys, natural market movement. It's just movement. It's just natural market movement, guys. There's nothing that caused it to move like that. That's just the market moving. Normal movement. You know? Normal market movement. Now this is actually a better buy than here was, because the market was holding here and it broke. But this area here would be a better buy than this low, because you know you have these wick lows here, so you have prayer stops below those lows and target these highs. So this is a better buy for sure than this buy. For sure, for sure. If we buy. Now, if we break below these lows here, gold is probably going to continue, but a pullback is still in order though. You still have a pullback, so you know. Let's go 10:24. All right, right around 10:30. Let's see. AU coming down. AU's coming down, and US30 coming down. Coming down, coming down. So we got some action going on now. Got some little bit of movement here, which is good. We got some movement, which is good. Ooh, why am I on the 5 minute? Now let's see if we break these lows, if we close below here, because gold is just melting right now. If we close below these lows, then we're probably going to continue bearish. It's probably going to continue bearish. If we break back above this area, then we can come back to retest. Damn, took me out at 9-ish, 839, only to melt, drop. That's like a 100 pip drop. It's easily 100 pips. From the high to the low, yeah, 98 pips, 100 pips. Crazy. Crazy drop on gold. Looking for buys above here. AU selling, US30 coming down, boom. Let's see US30 come down here and tap TP right there. After it decided to play around a little bit. I guess for us traders, it's important to know from a scalability point of view, what would the max trade size on the daily, it looks bearish. But even on the daily, let me see something. This is a daily area right there. It keeps bouncing at this area here. It keeps on bouncing. That's why I was anticipating a push. But we have this area too. So we keep bouncing inside this zone here. So that's probably why the buys are struggling, because overall it's bearish. We're holding resistance here. We still would have to break these lows for the sells to be good. This would be a great entry probably for sells. But we're in this range here on the daily. This could come down. Yeah, this is probably coming down. I don't really see the buys right now. We were holding this area here, but that's a minor area. That's a minor zone. We could come melting down. I'm gonna close out on AU. I'm going to close AU sells because, I'm sorry, AU buys, because I don't see it playing out anymore. The buys are not, they're not happening. Ain't no buys on AU right now. I don't even feel comfortable taking sells where price is at right now because it's at a low. The sells would have been probably up here somewhere, but this is coming down. This is for sure coming down. Yeah, guys, I closed out my AU buys. The buys, it's not happening. It's not happening. It's not happening. The buys looked good here, around this zone here to push, but after this weak ass pullback here, barely couldn't even come up to here. This is gonna drop. This is gonna drop. So what's gold doing? What you doing, gold? Ugh. Oh, I'm getting sleepy. I'm getting sleepy. You know what? I'm going to end the live here because it's nothing happening. I'm tired. I closed out all my positions. Today is a good day overall. Today's a good day. London had better setups. New York right now is kind of, I don't know. New York is with the shits today, honestly. Not too much happening. I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow. Same time, same place. All right, guys. Y'all be good. Don't overtrade. And see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.